New Grouch in town. I made it. I reached the city. Well, here's where I get the bus to Sesame Street. I'll bet Cousin Oscar will be surprised. Wait till he finds out that his cousin Leon the Grouch has come to visit him, all the way from Grouchville, USA. What fun we're gonna have. We'll yell at each other and call each other nasty names. Oh boy, we Grouches have fun. Uh-oh, I think I'm gonna have some fun right now. Look over there. See, those people are waiting for the same bus I am. I bet they're in a hurry. Wait till they see how long it takes me to get all this stuff on the bus. Will they be mad? That's the way everybody would be back in Grouchville. If this were Grouchville, everybody would say,
"Hey, you! Do you have to take all day with that?"
Yeah, this is a bus, not a moving van.
And then I'd say, "Listen, everybody, I'll finish when I'm finished and not before." Some fun, huh? Oh boy, here comes the bus. The yelling's gonna begin. Well, if they're gonna yell at me, I guess I'll yell at them first. Okay, everybody, listen to me.
I'll bet I know exactly what you're going to say.
You do?
You want us to help you get all that stuff on the bus.
Me? No, I wasn't gonna.
I understand. You're too shy to ask. But you don't have to ask. We'll help you anyway. Come on, everybody. Let's help him get this luggage on the bus.
Okay, sure.
Help you with this box.
Somebody help me pick up this. Okay. Yeah.
Wait a second. You're not gonna yell at me? You're gonna be patient with me? You're even gonna help me get my stuff on the bus?
Why, certainly. We are not just doing it to be nice. The sooner you get on the bus, the sooner we can all leave for Sesame Street.
Boy, we never do nice things in Grouchville. Don't tell me being nice will get me on the bus faster. We all did get on the bus faster. Well, I guess I'm supposed to say thank you.
You're welcome.
Think nothing of it.
Next stop, Sesame Street.
Wow, here I am on Sesame Street. Now I'll just find Cousin Oscar's place and...
Look! Sally hit the ball in the mud.
Oh, boy! Somebody hit the ball in the mud. Now they'll have a big argument, just like back in Grouchville. Yeah, in Grouchville, everybody would say...
I'll get the ball out of the mud puddle.
Nothing doing. It's my turn to get muddy.
No, it isn't. It's my turn. You got muddy last week.
Oh, I never get muddy.
Yeah, everybody always wants to get into the mud.
I don't want to go in the mud.
But you hit it there, Sally. The one who hits it gets it.
But these are clean blue jeans. They'll get all muddy.
Oh, don't be a spoiled sport, Sally. You're holding up the game.
Can I believe my ears? Doesn't anybody here want to go in the mud?
And get all muddy? No.
Sally's supposed to go.
Or how about if I go?
Well, sure, if you want to.
Oh, boy! Whoopee mud! Wonderful mud! I love it! Here's the ball and it's all muddy! Oh, mud! I can't get enough of it! Mud! Wowee! Well, here's your baseball.
Excuse me, but are you by any chance a Grouch?
Why, yes. How could you tell?
I just had a feeling.
Well, maybe you're a Grouch, but you're okay. Now we can play ball again. You really helped us.
I did?
You especially helped me. If you hadn't gone in the mud, I would have had to.
You would?
I'd like to be your friend.
You would?
Don't you want to be my friend?
Well, I'm a Grouch. See, we Grouches don't have friends. I wasn't trying to help, you know. I just wanted to go in the mud. I mean, you can be my friend if you want, but...
Good, we're friends. Now, you helped me. friend. Is there anything I can do to help you?
Well, you can tell me where my cousin Oscar the Grouch lives.
Oh, that's easy. Oscar's garbage can is across the street and down the block.
Across the street and down the block. Thank you. I don't believe it. I just said thank you again. It just slipped out. Across the street and down the block. I'll just wait for the light to change. It should change any minute now. It isn't changing. Oh, boy. When this happens back in Grouchville, I always have a wonderful time. Yeah, when the light doesn't change in Grouchville, I always say, "Stupid, crummy light, change already! I haven't got all day to stand here. If you don't change, I'm going to pull out all your wires." Yeah, I'm really going to yell at this light. I know just what to say. I'll say,
Excuse me. Are you waiting for the light to change?
did I say that?
No, I did. I think I can help you. You see, at this corner, if you want the light to change, you have to...
Yell at it.
Lord's sakes, no. All you have to do is push this button. Your hands are full. Let me push the button.
It worked. The light changed. Gee, lady, thank you. I said thank you again. This is getting to be a habit.
You're welcome, youngster. Glad I could help.
Well, so long, lady. She's having a lot of trouble getting across. She is kind of old. Lady, you're going kind of slow, but, well, you showed me how to make the light change, so the least I could do is, I can't believe I'm saying this, but, I can help you across the street.
Why, thank you, young fella.
Do you believe this? Me, a grouch, helping an old lady across the street?
Huh. Well, here we are. That was right sweet of you, youngster. I'd like you to have this flower.
Oh, well, I don't know. The flowers don't agree with us grouches.
You mean you don't want it?
Well, if you want to give it to me.
Good. You're a dear young thing.
This, feels very strange.
What a great afternoon. I was at the library reading my favorite book, Warthogs and You.
Oh, Oscar. My little grouchy pal. Do you know who I met today? Your cousin, Leon the Grouch.
You're kidding. Cousin Leon is in town?
No, I am not kidding. And he is nice, too.
Did you say he's nice?
Yes, we helped him with his luggage, and he said thank you.
He said what?
Oh, Oscar, have you seen my friend Leon the Grouch?
My cousin, Leon the Grouch, is your friend?
Oh, is Leon the Grouch your cousin, Oscar? What a polite young tyke. He helped me across the street.
Leon? Oh, Leon. Hey, Leon, I want to talk to you.
Land's sakes, where's Oscar going in such a hurry?
Here you are.
Oh, Cousin Oscar, how lovely to see you.
Lovely. To see me? I'm a grouch, and so are you. It's rotten to see you.
Oh, sorry, Cousin Oscar. I almost forgot you and I are grouches.
And what's this I hear? You said thank you to everybody on the bus. And you made friends with Sally? And you helped that little old lady across the street? And what is that?
What's what?
That. What is it?
It's a flower.
A flower? What kind of grouch are you?
I'm a very good grouch, but, it's not like Grouchville here. Everybody's been so nice, and, well, it's kind of hard to be grouchy to them.
Okay, if that's the way you want it. But don't try any of that nice stuff with me.
With you? Nice with you, you fuzzy-faced, ugly, rotten old grouch?
Ah, that's my cousin.